Hey people, I hope you're feeling fantastic. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you some of the odds that I think are going to be pumping over the next few days. Yeah, so let me share my screen with you. Okay, beautiful. I don't know if you can look at my screen. Okay, perfect. So first and foremost, what I want to show you is that look at the pump that Ethereum has been having over the next the previous 2 months. It's crazy. Look at that. Look at that. It's been going on in 2018, and then boom, it went down all the way down to 126, 115, and then look at the sudden surge that we have in here. It's crazy. So the way I used to do it is that I used to care about that whatever altcoin that I'm gonna that I'm gonna trade, and look at it from whether it's gonna outperform the USDT from a technical standpoint. But now what I learned is that all I need to do is to gather the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So what happens? We take the Ethereum and we compare it with the other altcoin, because what we need, so if you want to get more Ethereums, more Bitcoins, which are the major coins right now, you don't need to, just don't say, for example, let's say, yeah, it's gonna grow by 10%, for example, by this month, okay? But some altcoins, which have a lower value, they're gonna grow by a higher percentage. In other words, if you take a piece of this Ethereum money and you put it on the other altcoin, which is supposed to outperform the Ethereum, for example, you're going to be making way more money. Then you can cash out your profit, and then you can get more Ethereum with it. Got it? So that's what I do. That's my approach that I learned. So first, as you can see, look at how the Ethereum is going crazy. Now, I'm going to share with you the BNB, the Bitcoin. Let me see, 1 second. Where is it? Yeah, here is it. The BNB next to the Ethereum. Let's see. Yeah, this is the first one that I want to share with you. So 1 second. Okay. Yeah, let me go to the 4 hours. I believe that, yeah, that's the Ethereum. So, okay. Okay, let's get it to 8 hours. Okay, beautiful. Let me check this. Check this. Okay, let me put even a day. I will show you something else. Look at this, guys. We can see here that it is a very strong consolidation point zone, and it's been going up and up and up and up and up, then down, up, down, with lower highs, and then it went all the way down to this place. So this place, I truly believe what's going to happen next is, as you can see, let me show you very quickly. Okay, like you can see here, it's a consolidation point, and again now it came back to it. So I strongly believe now that the BNB has been underperforming, or I would say the Ethereum has been outperforming the BNB. So what's going to happen now? And as you can see, the Ethereum has been going up with such a crazy pace. Now it's time for it to slow down. So what's going to happen in here? I believe, again, don't take me for my word, that take my word for a grain of salt. Just go do your research. And again, everything that I'm sharing with you is just my that's my opinion. I'm not saying that I'm a perfect or anything like that. Just do your research. But that's the way I trade it. So for example, here, I believe what's going to happen is that it's going to pump up, okay? Because this is a very strong zone. And now we're going to wait for some confirmation first. But what you can do, I believe that the lowest point that it could reach, it's going to be this zone. It's going to be this zone, okay? This zone in here. So this is the lowest point. Even, let's say, we put it just here, okay? Let's say we just pick up this, this support. Let me show you. Okay, so even if we're picking up this support, look what's gonna happen. It's gonna get crazy. Look at this. And now what? Yeah, give me a second. Let me show you. Okay, so now what I want to show you is by how much how much more Ethereum you're gonna be making if you invest that Ethereum money, if you want, if you put it to the BNB, if whatever I told you is gonna work. Okay, so let me, where is it? Yeah, there you have it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, check this out. We take this point now, okay, and all the way. And again, this is the lowest point that I believe it's gonna reach right now in over the next few days. You are gonna be making 32.15%. In other words, so for example, if you're taking that Ethereum money and put it into the BNB, that's going to give you 32% more of Ethereum. That's why I say, like, if you go and just compare, for example, an altcoin with the USDT, it doesn't mean that it is outperforming the Ethereum. So the Ethereum could be going faster, rising faster than the other altcoin. So in other ways, you have less Ethereum. But if you pick up an altcoin, which is outperforming the Ethereum, not today probably, but now as we can see here, we have a sudden drop, it coming back to a very strong zone and to support zone that I believe now it's time for it to pump, okay? It's time for it to pump. And again, so this is something that I would recommend, but you don't have to take me for my word. Just do your research. And it is, again, just my own technical analysis and my own opinion. So this is the first one. The second one that I would recommend is, let me show you first. Let me see, where is it? I'm gonna go with the Ethereum and oh, where is it? Okay, there you have it. Okay, let me see. Let me click on it. Okay, no. Oh. Okay, so now that we talked about the Ethereum, the BNB against the Ethereum, now what I'm gonna show you is, look, okay, let's put it for a week. I believe it's better. Look, it is crazy. It is crazy. Like, it's been the Ethereum is has never outperformed. Okay, let's put this. Let's put a monthly. Okay, it's gonna be better. Okay, look at this. Okay, no, this is too much. Okay, so look at this. It's been consolidating, like there was no very definitive trend in here, but look at this one, the last one, the one that happened on the 29th of March. It's been going crazy, and again, like the surge has been going crazy, and I truly believe that it has to slow down a little bit. It has to slow down because it could not just keep going up and up and up. And look at, it just exploded that that support that you have in here. This one, I mean, yeah, I mean the resistance that we have in here, it's crazy. And look at the body of the candle. It is you know, it was going fast, but now, like I'm telling you, it's time for ETH to cool down and BTC to get its, you know, to probably outperform now ETH over the next few days, if not this month. Okay, so this is a major sign that Ethereum is gonna slow down and it's gonna have kind of a correction. And now talking, I just wanted to share with you one of the odds that I see is gonna pump very good. And because again, it's been slowing down over the past few days. Let me show you where is ADA. Oh, oh my goodness, where is it? Okay, let me, yeah, 1 second. Let me add it. I forgot to add ADA USDT. So here what's gonna happen is gonna get crazy. Look at this. Let me show you. Now I'm gonna open up this chart. I'm gonna open up this chart. Okay. Okay. Awesome. 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 Okay, there you have it. Look at this. Let's put the 8-hour chart. So now on the 8-hour chart, like you can see here, so what I did, look at this. We have a strong resistance. We have a strong resistance in here. I mean, we have a trend resistance in here, and we have a good support that has been testing itself over and over again. So what I believe is going to happen is a major because again, look at the, let me put this on a daily time frame. The Cardano has been underperforming Ethereum for a long time now. It's been, yeah, just going a little bit up and down and kind of consolidating and then going down. But now I believe it's time for it to get it, you know, just to get its pump, to get its gas going. So if you can see here, let me show you. We have the 8 hours and we can see, look, it's been going here, suddenly up, down, up, down, up, down. And I believe, again, I'm not gonna buy right now, but we need a confirmation. We need a confirmation, but my prediction is what's gonna happen is it will reach at least this level. Okay, so let's see how much Ethereum you can be making if, you know, but again, let's wait for the confirmation. We need the confirmation. It needs to break this trend resistance. Let me show you. Okay, let me, where is it? Okay, so here, for example, look at this. We have this resistance, this strong resistance in here that has been tested as well. We are, I believe that the lowest point we can reach is this one. And, oh, okay. You know, no. Again, let me do it. Let me show you. Let's do it again. Okay, so for example, let's say we have it here, okay? So let's say it closes in here and the lowest point is this one. Look, you're gonna be making 26.30, let's say 26% more Ethereum than if you keep your money just on the Ethereum, okay? Because that's the goal now. We gotta make more Ethereum and Bitcoins. And for on my side, I'm more into, you know, just getting more Ethereums. I'm not investing in Bitcoin, but you know, I'm just harvesting more Ethereum. So that's about it. So then we have let me see, yeah, we have the link. No, the link USDT. No, I'm gonna take the Uniswap. Uniswap is one that I would recommend. Where is Uniswap? I do have it. I don't know if I have it in here. Uni. Okay. So Uni and ETH, where is it? All right, yeah, let's take this one. Okay, let's take this one. All right, so where is it? Okay, there you have it. So what I believe is going to happen here, look, we have a candle now. We have a candle. What? Okay, let me look at this for a week on a weekly chart. Okay, look at this. I believe we're going to have a trend reversal in here. And I'm more into the 8 hours, 4 hours. 1 second. Look at this. 1 second. Okay. So look, it's been such a long time. And if you look at the 12 hours, let me show you. Okay, remember that one? Remember that resistance? The last time we saw it was in February, not even February, but yeah, it was on January 2021. So I believe what's going to happen, again, it's been going up and down, but I believe what's going to happen, there is a clear sign that now it's going to go to at least to that point, at least to this zone. Okay, this is the least one, but based on my technical analysis, I believe that it's going to reach this point because it's a very strong previous support. So let me do my calculations. So let's say if you buy here, and that's something that I would recommend, but again, I'm not guaranteeing anything, just to please do your research. If it goes from here, right, it goes from here and you get out in here, this is the lowest point, you're going to be making 24.49% more Ethereum, okay? Because I believe now it's the time for Uniswap to outperform the Ethereum. As we saw, the Ethereum has been going so crazily like against the Bitcoin, okay? But now we're gonna start noticing a major, kind of a cool down. It's gonna slow down a little bit. It doesn't mean that it's not gonna grow. It's gonna have a correction, but it doesn't mean that it's not gonna grow. It just means that it's gonna go with a slower pace than it did this month and the previous month. So here what I see is, let me tell you. So if we go for what I believe is going to happen, because again, this one is the lowest point that I believe it's going to reach. But if we go for the other prediction, for my prediction, it's going to go up to, this is the lowest point in my prediction. It's going to go where I'm going to bank my profits. It's 36.69%, which is crazy. More Ethereum. So guys, yeah, this is my prediction for this period. Again, you can do your own research, see what's going to work for you, do your own technical analysis. And if, just, I'm not asking for anything. Just please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment. And again, if you have another opinion, just please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy, just to kind of have a constructive exchange and to learn from you. So guys, have a wonderful day. Until then, see you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.